Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Yay, it's Christmas, it's finally arrived. I'm sitting by the fire with my dog. She's sitting there eager to go out. Our Christmas dinner is done. I've just got to do the gravy. I'm just letting the meat rest. Been sat by the fire most of the day with the cat. Now it's the dog's turn. The cat's been sitting on our trunk, our version of a coffee table. I don't know if you can see it. And I've brought the dog down because she's been asleep on my bed most of the day, so I'm going to give her dinner now. And we can sit and eat our dinner in peace then because she's been fed. So how's your Christmas been? Have you overspent? Have you got yourself into debt? Ours has been frugal. I've just bought necessities for my sons and his girlfriend, some nice little bits. Not got into debt, I just bought them as I've gone along. And I bought myself a lamp and a Christmas bauble. If you've watched my other videos, you'll know. And like the clothes I'm wearing, I've got a velvet shirt on. I bought that about 3 years ago from Marks and Spencer. I've got a pair of black jeans on, and they were bought during COVID, so they're 4 or 5 years old. And a pair of black suede boots, which was also bought during COVID. So Christmas clothes has cost me nothing because I bought them years ago. Christmas dinner cost me nothing because my son gave me the money for it. So I do truly feel blessed because Christmas this year has cost me very little. And no debt. When my kids were little, I used to get a credit union loan every year, and it'd take me the year to pay it off, and then I'd start again. So I don't know if you've been in that sort of situation where you're like, oh, yeah, constantly paying off, robbing Peter to pay Paul. But I've not had to do that in years now, especially now that the kids are grown up, because there's no computers, PlayStations, games, discs, downloads, none of that anymore. So that helps a lot. I just buy them bits of clothes, bits and bobs, anything that takes me fancy, and that's about it. So what have you been doing for Christmas today? I'm going to have some Guinness with me dinner. My son bought me 4-pack of Guinness from the sweet shop because I couldn't carry it home because my bags were too full. So I'm happy about that. So I had a Guinness last night and I went to bed with a Baileys and ice. So I felt really pampered. I had my dinner cooked for me by my son with me prawn stir fry, and today I have throwing the dinner on. So it's just been a nice few days apart from the shopping, because in Aldi and Asda it was a bit mad. It was chocker. Every trolley was being used. There was none in the little parky bay thing, and it was just really busy, really mad. So I'm just glad that's over with, and I won't be shopping for ages now because we've got the chicken there for New Year's Day and plenty of veg and yummy treaty things to eat during the week. So just like, yeah, the pressure's off. And what's even better, no death after. So I hope you have your lovely day. I hope it's been nice, chilled, relaxed. I hope you've eaten too much. I hope you've drank too much, and I hope you've sat on your bum too much. So have a lovely rest of the day, and thanks for all the lovely comments. Everyone's been so lovely. I really appreciate it. It's just people's kindness has been overwhelming. So I hope to see you soon, and please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.